Oh shit. Oh shit. That was dumb, dude. What the fuck, dude? Ah.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's fucking whiskey throttle right there, giving it.
Ah. Fuck me, I just smashed my balls, dude, too hard. Oh, that fucking hurt. Oh, my balls, dude. Yeah, I came down. You good?
That's what I was talking about, dude. That's fucking whiskey throttle right there, giving it.
Probably flooded.
Man, it smashed my balls, dude, so hard. That's fucking
Fuck.
Oh, it fucking hurt. Oh, my balls, dude.
Yeah, I came down.
Yeah. Fucking whiskey throttle. You ain't got no room, dude, here to do a wheelie. Your wheelies are way too fucking long now.
Yeah.
I realize that. They didn't really fucking
up that bad.
No, it doesn't look like it.
You'll be able to clean it up, dude.
Yeah, you didn't even like.
You okay?
Whoa.
Fuck, Joe. You alright?
Oh,
I didn't mean you to
fucking-
crash, bro.
Alright, hey, get that
See,
thing started. and,
I'd go to the end there maybe.
We'll have to. We can pick it right up and out of there. Oh man, oh, my fucking balls hurt.
Your balls, that's it. Your leg, you know.
In my leg, but that's scary because I came down and I fucking rolled the throttle, and that's all that happened. I know that's what happened to me, dude. That day, I've done that, dude, and then all you do is hit your back brake, and you're holding that fucking rear brake, dude. You're skidding the whole way. Try that again. Go right up.
Oh, right there. It looks like it's a little less.
Pick this thing right up and out of here. Go right up to the brake. Oh yeah, fuck. Grab it. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh my god. There you go, buddy.
You didn't do much
Shit. I know, I think it'll clean right up.
because it's dirt.
Scratches it.
What?